Welcome to our channel. Today we how to contact UPS Claims, direct link step by step clearly. To contact UPS Claims, start by visiting the UPS website. In the search bar, type UPS Claims and hit enter. Locate the claims section on the results page. Click on the link that says file a claim. You will be redirected. Select the type of claim you need to file, such as a lost package or damage. Fill out the required details on the form. Provide your shipment information, including tracking number and shipment date. Enter the claimant's information, including name and contact details. Upload any supporting documents, like receipts or photographs of the damage. Review all the information you have entered for accuracy. Submit the claim by clicking the Submit button. Once submitted, you will receive a confirmation email with your claim number. Keep this email for future reference regarding your claim. If you need further assistance, you can contact UPS customer service via phone. Alternatively, you can chat with a UPS representative online for quick support. Follow up on your claim using the provided claim number for updates. Check your email regularly for any communication from UPS regarding your claim. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.